Oh my god, we're finally here. It's been ages since I've been back. Been out in the Sahara Desert for so long. Dang, bro. I'm really catching the vibe of the sheep right now. I'm really catching the sheep's vibe. Hold up. Hey, it's May. Yo, wait. Someone at the door? Hold. Yo, hey, buddy. Thanks, man. Here, yeah, I'll close the door for you. Yeah. How's it going, man? Hey, yo, what's up? How's it going, man? I'm doing pretty good. Bro, that's good. Real quick, can I get a drink of water? I've been out in the Sahara Desert for so long. I'm very hot. Yeah, sure, man. Go for it. Yeah, just make sure the waterfall. Thanks, man. I owe you one. Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna be on the chair watching this video. There we go. Time to give. Yeah. Will my friend approve of this? Yeah. Hey, yo. Hey. Yo. Hold up. What is this? Bro. What the? There's a bunch of mouthwash in. There's a bunch of backwash in this, bro. What is this? I said waterfall. I didn't say put your whole mouth, spill everything that you've eaten for the past week in this. What the heck, man? No, get out, bro. Get out. Yo, bro.
Nope.
Bro, please.
Get out.
Please, I just came from the Sahara, bro.
No, get out.
No, please, man.
Yeah.
Please, it's cold.
Yeah, open the door.
It's cold
Get out.
outside, man. No,
Get out.
Please, man.
Get out.
Bro.